Gonna be able to wear short sleeves or what?
Short sleeves here off the top. The short sleeves are going to have to be either covered up by a rain jacket or an umbrella later today, as storms are just west of home for us, Josh. It's a quiet morning, though, just noticing some extra clouds. As we talked about yesterday and as was predicted, the rainfall all to the north this morning. Our advancing line will move in as we push towards the early afternoon. We'll be kicking out of here into the evening hours, too. So if you have any late volleyball games or practices, we'll take a look and see if you and the family will have to dodge some of the showers and storms. The reason for the change, your cold front. We had that warm front, and boy, did it feel good. Yesterday's high in the lower 70s. But the clashing of the air masses means we have severe weather chances. So the best chance for seeing severe weather is our southern and eastern locations right here in this yellow line. Still talking biggest problem would be damaging winds. Just west of that yellow line is going to be strong wind gusts. So still maybe as high as 50 miles per hour, just not pushing into that 60 mile per hour range. So still going to have to be very connected, very aware. The Storm Shield app is a great app for you if you're going to be out kind of running around. Remember, you can always turn us on. But let us know what's going on as far as the weather is concerned and when it really starts firing up here early into the afternoon with meteorologist Jason Nicholas and Chief Meteorologist Mark Johnson. For now, we are quiet and wonderful. Maybe a cup of coffee with an ice cube in it on the porch. 68 in Cleveland, 66 Canton. Good morning in Mansfield at 68. Sandusky also very warm for this time of the year as we currently sit in the upper 60s. Now your daytime high today only in the lower 70s. This is still significantly above average, but it's not going to be a big warm up like we had yesterday of 20, 30 degrees. Boy, wouldn't that be nice? Talking 80s, 90s? All right, that's not going to happen. But still, 72 today. Afternoon storms and breezy for us, too. A typical high should be at about 59. Yesterday, reaching your high of 73. Tonight, dropping down to 48. So once this cold front hits later today, you're really going to see the temperatures drop. So you probably have the air conditioning on now. You can probably see my goosebumps through the TV. It is freezing in our studios. But you're going to have to switch it over to the heat because it will get cold tonight for sure. Timing out your rainfall, first kind of push seems closer to around 2 o'clock. 4 o'clock, though, is when we see those stronger storms. Notice, though, by 9 o'clock, it's out of here. And for the most part, it does look like the east side. The areas that have that better chance of seeing storms has the better chance of seeing some bigger totals as well. For the most part, though, it's at 1/10 to maybe 1/4 of an inch, even with some of those thunderstorms that are predicted along the east side. So here we go, your Power 5 7-day forecast. Still quite an active 7-day. I'll detail more coming up, but today's high, 72. Jackie? Right.